Good things happen when you meet strangers. And there are few things stranger than this little lump. It's a black radish. Today I'm making black radish honey. It feels soothing to a sore throat, and I have a teaspoonful in my tea when I feel a cold coming on. I'll need black radish, candied sugar, honey, skewers, a bowl, a knife and a spoon. Cut the top and the bottom of the radish. The top to get at the insides and the bottom so it sits flat on the board. That makes things easier. Now scoop out the insides. Dark on the outside and hollow inside, just like my goth face. Skewer the radish so you can suspend it in a bowl later. Make 2 narrow cuts in the bottom. Fill about half the hollow with candied sugar, place radish guts on top, and allow the honey to fill in the gaps. Now let it sit. The honey will slowly make its way down through the small cuts into the bowl and take the goodness of the radish with it. It usually takes a few hours. And it's done. Transfer into a clean glass and keep in the fridge. I try to use it up within a week.